Poor fellow.
My beautiful kids.
Yeah, they sure are.
Oh my goodness. Judy. I'm not. I'm just saying I'm here.
Yeah, I could record you all if you want me to hold it.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, Richard.
Hello, hi, that's right, you know Richard, yes.
Hi, Richie.
Yes,
Hello, Michael. Looking forward to meeting you
that's right.
soon and very soon.
That's right.